Welcome to our channel How to Hub. Are you interested in starting a successful blog but not sure where to begin? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of starting a blog that will captivate your audience and help you achieve your blogging goals. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your blogging niche. The first step in starting a successful blog is selecting a niche. A niche is a specific topic or theme that your blog will focus on. Identify your interests and passions. Determine what topics you are passionate about and have expertise in. Research audience demand. Assess the popularity and demand for different niches using keyword research and online tools. Find a balance. Choose a niche that combines your interests with audience demand to ensure long-term engagement. Step 2. Define your target audience. Understanding your target audience is crucial for creating content that resonates with your readers and attracts a loyal following. Identify your ideal reader. Define the characteristics, interests, and pain points of your target audience. Conduct audience research. Use surveys, social media, and online forums to gather insights about your target audience's preferences and needs. Tailor your content. Create content that addresses your audience's challenges, provides value, and solves their problems. Step 3. Choose a blogging platform and domain name. To establish your blog's online presence, you need to choose a blogging platform and a domain name that represents your brand. Select a blogging platform. Consider user-friendliness, customization options, and scalability. Popular platforms include WordPress, Blogger, and Squarespace. Register a domain name. Choose a domain name that is memorable, reflects your brand, and aligns with your niche. Set up hosting. Find a reliable hosting provider to ensure your blog is accessible to readers. Step 4. Design your blog and customize the theme. The design of your blog plays a crucial role in attracting and retaining readers. Let's make your blog visually appealing and user-friendly. Select a theme. Choose a visually appealing and responsive theme that complements your niche and aligns with your brand. Customize your blog. Personalize your blog's appearance by adding your logo, selecting color schemes, and arranging widgets. Optimize for mobile. Ensure your blog is mobile-friendly to accommodate readers accessing your content on smartphones and tablets. Step 5. Create engaging and valuable content. Compelling content is the heart of any successful blog. Let's explore how you can create content that engages your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Brainstorm content ideas. Generate a list of topics and ideas that align with your niche and cater to your audience's interests. Plan your content strategy. Develop an editorial calendar to organize your content creation and ensure consistent publishing. Write high-quality posts. Craft well-researched, informative, and engaging articles that provide value to your readers. Use visuals. Enhance your blog posts with relevant images, videos, infographics, and other visuals to make them more appealing. That concludes the first part of our video on how to start a successful blog. In the next part, we'll cover promoting your blog, engaging with your audience, and monetizing your blog to turn your passion into a profitable venture. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. See you in the next video.